What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to multiply square roots, or basically how to multiply radicals. It's very simple. So basically when you multiply square root of a by square root of b, the answer is going to be square root of a times b. So that's basically like that. For example, if you have square root of 3 times square root of 5, the answer will be square root of 3 times 5, which is going to be square root of 15. Next example, square root of 2 times square root of 8, the answer will be square root of 2 times 8, which is going to be square root of 16, and we know the square root of 16 is 4. Now, example, square root of 2 times square root of 6, the answer will be square root of 2 times 6, which is going to be square root of 12. And then we need to simplify that one. Square root of 12, as we know, is square root of 4 times 3, which is square root of 4 times square root of 3. And we know the square root of 4 is 2, so the answer will be 2 root 3. Next example, 4 root 3 times 2 root 12. The answer is 4 times 2 is going to be 8, and then we have square root of 3 times 12, which will be 8 times square root of 36. 3 times 12 is 36, and we know the square root of 36 is 6, so the answer is going to be 8 times 6, which is going to be 48. Next example, square root of 3 times square root of 6. The answer is square root of 3 times square root of 6, which will be square root of 18. And 18 is square root of 9 times square root of 2. 18 is 9 times 2. So square root of 9 is 3, so the answer will be 3 root 2. Next example, 2 root 6 multiplied by 3 root 12. The answer is 2 times 3 is going to be 6, and then square root of 6 times 12, which will be 6 root 72, and 72 is 36 times root 2, which is going to be 6 times 6 root 2, which is going to be 36 root 2. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.